Piney River Resort, flooded with dangerous levels of water Saturday morning, sweeping vehicles and RVs away, trapping campers like Jared Jakowski and his family without shelter.
And within a matter of minutes, that couple of inches turned into a couple of feet. We collected our boys and our dogs. We had 3 dogs, 6 boys, and 2 adults with us.
They all linked arms in waist-deep water, making it to their vehicles safely.
By the time I got to the higher ground to drop the boys and the dogs, turned around to go back to the camper, and it was too late. The hitch was submerged underwater. Kind of watched it rise very rapidly as we were watching our camper flood out and start to float away.
Jared and a few others jumped into action, helping anyone in distress.
And we linked up and chest high water, trudged over to rescue this woman out of the tree, got her back to shore, and proceeded to try to rescue her parents, who were at this point in time stranded on the top of their vehicle.
Jakowski and his family then moved to even higher ground, now depending on others to survive, finding their own guardian angels, Jennifer and Jason Johnston.
They said, "Hey, we're Jen, we're Jason, come in." And I said, "I don't know if you guys understand, we have a small tribe here. We have 8 people and 3 dogs." And they're like, "Well, we have 4 people and 2 dogs, so we're just going to combine."
2 miles away, Jared found the only remains of his camper, the floor and the wheels.
Total loss of the possessions, but those can all be replaced. My main concern was family and friends and getting everybody up and out.
A community coming together in catastrophic conditions. In Hickman County, Alex Corradetti, News 2.